If you've ever needed to share an important message quickly, forwarding a Hotmail email is one of the easiest ways to do it. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it in the simplest way possible. By the end of this short guide, you'll be able to forward any email confidently and without confusion. Let's jump right in. Start by opening your preferred web browser and head over to the Outlook login page since Hotmail now operates through Outlook. As part of Microsoft 365, this is where everything happens. Search for Outlook login or use a trusted direct link. Once you're on the page, click the Sign In button. You'll now be asked for your email and password. Enter your Hotmail details, sign in, and you'll be taken straight to your account. If you don't already have an account, you would need to create one, but today we're focusing on those who are already set up. After signing in, look for the Mail section. Depending on your layout, it may appear in the top menu or in the sidebar. Click it, and this will take you into your main inbox where all your messages are stored. Now choose the email you want to forward. Click to open it, and you'll see several options at the top of the message. Look for the one labeled Forward. Once you click it, Outlook will automatically open a new message window with the original email already attached or included. All you need to do now is type the recipient's email address into the To field. You can add a personal note at the top if you want, or simply send the message as is. Before sending, give everything a quick look to make sure nothing is missing. And when you're ready, hit send, and just like that, you've successfully forwarded a Hotmail email. It's a simple task, but once you know where everything is, it becomes second nature. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide made your email experience a whole lot easier. See you in the next one.